Hi, my name is Ashma, and from last few years I've been living a sustainable and zero waste lifestyle and creating content to generate awareness around the same. My sustainability journey began with a simple intention to live a healthy lifestyle that aligns with the nature. Over years, I faced challenges from questioning my everyday choices to breaking the myths around green living. But each step taught me that small conscious actions can create a big impact. I chose this path because I believe our well being and planet's well being are deeply connected. To everyone watching, remember sustainability is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every effort counts, no matter how small. I'm grateful to be a part of the ETH GSA 7th annual meeting celebrating Planet Buddy on 26th of September 2025 in New Delhi under the theme Bridging Policies, Innovation and Enterprise. And I'm looking forward to make my contribution to this discussion.